Hi everyone, this is Nikki from Chalkin' with Nikki. I wanted to share this short video with you today to show you how easy it is to create your own designs on a variety of surfaces, such as wood, glass, ceramic, fabric, or metal. Really, the possibilities are endless. So today I'm using a wood sign I picked up at a local craft store, Chalkology paste in the color brick, and part of our farmhouse transfer. Now our transfers are reusable up to 8 times and have a silkscreen area allowing you to get a smooth finish every time. Our Chalkology paste comes in over 30 different colors, making it easy to match any home decor. So you'll just apply your transfer to your surface and smooth out any air bubbles around the silkscreen area. Now apply your paste, making sure you cover the entire silkscreen area. Next, you'll scrape off the excess and put it back in the jar. You don't want to waste any. Now you're ready to pull off your silk screen, and ta-da! You've got a beautiful design. It really is that easy. You can get these supplies right on my website, chalkingwithnikki.chalkcouture.com. If you're local, you can host a sip and chalk or a make and take, earning hostess rewards. You can become a designer like me on my website by clicking join. Thanks for watching.